of basketball with us. I know a lot of you want to be part of that, so please stick around and please enjoy the second half of Game 1 of the B-League Finals. About to start. Hiroshima, can they bounce back from this deficit, or will you coast take Game 1 win? We'll find out here in the second half. Celebrating the game of basketball with us and celebrating Pinoy pride, of course, in Kai Sotto and RJ Barrientos. Thank you for dropping by and spending time with us and your fans. Maraming salamat. We still have a lot of exciting activities here in the venue. Bukas pa rin po yung mga booths natin, so it will be open throughout the day. Please make sure you enjoy that and make sure that you guys have a great day ahead. My name is Chuck Sulit. It's been an honor being your host. Thank you so much, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Kailangan ko pang manalo ng isang jacket.